Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we have a drone showdown that's more epic than a superhero movie crossover. On the left side, we have the SOTAONE HS720G, and on the right, the SOTAONE S350. Let's get ready to rumble. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks, starting with the price. The SOTAONE HS720G will set you back a cool $299. It's like buying a first-class ticket to the sky. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 is a mere $59. That's less than the cost of a fancy dinner date. So if you're on a budget, SOTAONE is the way to go. But remember, you get what you pay for. Next up, let's talk cameras. The SOTAONE HS720G boasts a 4K EIS camera with a 2-axis gimbal. It's like having a Hollywood director in your pocket, perfect for capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 offers a 1080p HD camera. It's decent, but let's be honest, it's more potato quality compared to the SOTAONE. If you want your footage to look like it was shot by Spielberg, SOTAONE is your guy. Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay in the air. The SOTAONE HS720G gives you a solid 26 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film a mini documentary. The SOTAONE S350? Well, it lasts up to 20 minutes. Not bad, but it's like comparing a marathon runner to a sprinter. Plus, SOTAONE has powerful brushless motors and a max distance of 999 meters. SOTAONE is more like that kid on a tricycle. Cute, but limited. How about user-friendliness? The SOTAONE HS720G is packed with features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and optical flow positioning. It's basically the Tesla of drones. Self-driving and all, the SOTAONE S350 is also beginner-friendly with altitude hold and one-key takeoff land. It's like the Fisher-Price of drones. Easy, fun, but not too fancy. So if you're a newbie, either will do, but if you want to feel like a pro, go for SOTAONE. Special features, anyone? The SOTAONE HS720G comes with Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. The SOTAONE S350 has some fun tricks up its sleeve too, like 3D flips and voice control. It's like the class clown. Lots of fun, but not exactly reliable. So if you want a drone that does more tricks than your dog, SOTAONE is a blast. But for serious features, SOTAONE takes the cake. Finally, let's talk safety and design. The SOTAONE HS720G has emergency stop, smart return to home, and a foldable design. It's like a Swiss Army knife, compact and packed with tools. The SOTAONE S350 has propeller guards and low-power alarm. It's like bubble wrap, safe but not very exciting. So if you want peace of mind, SOTAONE is your best bet. Overall, the SOTAONE HS720G is praised for its high-quality camera, stability, and advanced features, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. Reviewers appreciate its value for money and ease of use. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 is seen as a budget-friendly starter drone that's fun and easy to use, especially for children and beginners, but it lacks the advanced features and build quality of the SOTAONE. So there you have it, folks. The SOTAONE HS720G is like the James Bond of drones, high-tech, sleek, and ready for action. The SOTAONE S350 is more like the lovable sidekick. Fun, affordable, but not quite as impressive. If you're serious about your drone game, go for the Holy Stone. But if you're just looking to have some fun without breaking the bank, the SOTAONE is a great pick. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. Leave a comment below on which drone you think is the winner. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.